the person you desire to be with, to spend more time with, and whom you want to miss you. There are actually a few law of attraction secrets that you can use to make these happen without chasing after them, without calling or texting, and even without making any physical contact. If you believe that every outcome occurs solely as a result of physical actions in the three-dimensional world, then you might engage in various actions, such as calling, tracking, begging for attention, pleading for a relationship, sending flowers, and boxes of chocolates, all in an attempt to attract the person's interest or make them miss you. However, listen to me. You don't need to do any of these. In fact, by constantly texting, making social media accounts an obsession, tracking their every move, and expressing excessive neediness to make them desire you, you are actually pushing that person further away from you. Consequently, you make things even more difficult for yourself. Some people say, "I just want to talk, maybe I should send a message." And with the expectation that their worth will be recognized, they compose a lengthy letter. The crucial thing is, if someone is going to miss you, it comes from the vibration and frequency you create. And what you need to create with your actions is that we attract into our lives what we are, not what we want. So, to make someone miss you, you need to become the magnetic frequency that always exists in your ideal self and keeps the desired person by your side. Only then will that person start to miss you, be unable to get you out of their mind, and begin to dream about you. It's possible, the possibility has already been created, and through the law of attraction, with the right vibration you create, manifesting it into reality becomes quite easy. If you follow a few key things in this video, maybe you need to rewind a few times and take notes, and stick with me until the end. Your vibration will start to rise to the magnetic attraction frequency that guides that person into your life, evoking feelings of longing towards you and making them want you. The absolute truth is that as your personal power field expands, as your self-esteem increases, your attraction will also increase alongside these. Your magnetic force will grow in conjunction with your self-respect, confidence, and inner strength. I have a few affirmations hanging on the mirrors in my bathroom and bedroom, and I'd like to share them with you. If you'd like, you can take notes and apply them yourself. I strongly recommend writing them in your own hand because it is much more effective, just so you know. They don't need to be too large. Write them on a small piece of paper and attach it somewhere on the edge of the mirror. Now, when writing these affirmations in your own handwriting and repeating them every morning, I love you. Feel the deep meaning of these words in your cells. Notice the energy flowing from your stomach to your heart. Mention your own name. Emily, I love you. In the following affirmations, place your hands over your heart and repeat. I am a love magnet. I am a love magnet. Every day, I am rising to a better place in every way. Every day, I am rising to a better place in every way. The person I desire and love already desires me and loves me. There is a special person who thinks about me and misses me constantly, and I am completely open to them. there is a special person who thinks about me and misses me constantly, and I am completely open to them. This person, mentioning their name here, desires me, can't stop thinking about me, and I am completely open to them. You can say the following affirmation by looking into your own eyes in front of the mirror, as well as before falling asleep or with the first light of the morning. Starting with the name of the person who is special to me, say, I am an irresistible person for the one who is special to me. Even if I do nothing, their desire for me will grow. As their desire for me increases, it will continue to grow. From this moment on, it is crucial to have unwavering belief in the increase of the law of attraction. Your belief in your self-confidence and inner strength must be absolute and certain. Because when this confidence is lacking, when you cannot activate your inner power, when your belief in your own law of attraction is weak, you cannot excite your energy field enough to work on your behalf. So, for this to be true, you must first believe in it. If you don't believe in yourself, why should anyone else? Choose to believe. Belief is a choice. Choose it, live it, reaffirm it every day. Allow your vibration, personal powers, and magnetism to work things out for you. Stop chasing, stop emitting needy energy, stop diminishing yourself. Allow your vibrations to do the heavy lifting. It really works. Perform the mirror exercise every day with complete belief. Another thing is to make sure your body is moving enough and supported by healthy nutrition, ensuring that you are progressing towards your best version. Building a life is crucial. Construct an amazing, incredible life for yourself, one that the other person cannot resist, one where they cannot stop thinking about you, missing you, wanting you, and desiring you. Build a life that they would want to be a part of, an extraordinary life that you have constructed and realized for yourself. Lastly, I want to leave you with this, the power of pillow talk. When you go to bed, take the pillow in your hand and hold it tightly to your chest. Embrace it. Things get a bit strange, don't they? Keep watching. You hug the pillow and you fall asleep like that. While holding the pillow, you are actually holding that person. At that moment, you engage in pillow talk. I know you miss me. I feel how much you desire me. When you're ready, reach out to me. Repeat these sentences until you fall asleep, over and over again. These messages will go directly and clearly into that person's subconscious. You might ask, how is that possible? It happens because you are transitioning into your own deep consciousness. And that person is also there, in the infinite potential of the universe. You are connecting with each other, and the thoughts you repeat turn into feelings, turning into a positive affirmation for them, into a vibration of affirmation. It begins to amplify the feelings of, I miss them, I desire them, I want to see them. This pillow talk method works and is truly effective. In my mind, there is no doubt whatsoever that that special person will miss you, think of you, and desire you. You are perfect. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your feelings in the comments. Until we meet again, glad you exist.